myself, the talented Miss Stephanie. Her and I are going to show you what we did for our class here at Nick's weekly Thursday class. So whip to begin. So we did show that at the beginning of the lesson. It's your basic whip. She does a coaster, half turn, put her back to where she was. Just your basic 8 count. This accelerated variation is off of the 5th count. So up to 4 for her. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing's different. She's on the right foot on 4. Guys are on your left foot on 4. But what I like to do, because I've been doing this move for a while, but you can also take this advice or not. 1, 2, I let go of her right hand, and then 3 and 4. You're using your right hand anyway to guide her. I'm going to need this hand for the next count, so I like to leave this hand free. However you wish to do it. You can release it whenever you want, but your call. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I have it. Go front to back that part. Pull her in 1, I let go, and I do 3 and 4. So now, and 5. We're taking 2 steps for 1 beat of music. So it's a quick turn. Slow songs are recommended. So sugar push here. And then pull her in on 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go and 5. So what I did there is on 4, 3 and 4. She's coming towards me on 4. Take my left hand. As she's doing her half turn like she would be normally doing on 5, 6, I'm going to turn it and switch hands for and 5. Weight on my left, weight on her right, and I'm catching her balance, catching her energy on that count for 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So I'm using this hand to turn her, and this hand to stop her and catch her. So a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Now she's going to come up on the left foot for 6. Take your right hand. As she's turning a half turn to her left, trip, pull, step, put her back where she was. Okay? You need that little hand, or she's going to turn and stay in place. So it's a nice little ending to this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. I break it underneath her arm. We'll go this way so you can see better. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Pull her through underneath. Send her through. Now the way to get out of it, there's another way to get out of it. You just stay connected to her. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Pull up on 6, 7, and 8. And I stay connected. And then I do tuck to send her through. So you get another way to get out of it if you wish. So both, a little bit quicker after this. So the first 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Give her a free turn. Let her go, and then on the ending, stay connected to her. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stay connected, and then come through with a tuck. Wow. Thank you, my dear. That's a cool move. Accentuating that 5th count does take time. Make sure you just have someone that connects very well, and you'll be in good shape. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Miss Steph. Until next time, have a wonderful week. Remember to subscribe. Free move every week from me to you. Thanks for watching. Keep dancing. Bye-bye.